Hello everyone, it's me Afa again, biohacking. So I'm gonna talk about definitely you heard about the Ozempic, Manjorna. It's a commercial name for the two different peptides. Semaglutide it's Ozempic, Manjorna it's trizepatine. So a lot of hypes and information about that. People saying that someone has a Ozempic face, very bad. Someone saying it's amazing product. So there in New York was the event Don't Die by John Bryan, I think his name. And there I met the amazing doctor, Dr. Ko. He's a longevity specialist, amazing doctor. So before also I was like hesitating about that. So now I have kind of clear picture and I would like to share with you guys about this information. So Ozempic was the first generation of the longevity weight loss drug, let's say, but we're not saying weight loss because after a certain age our metabolism slowing down and our body cannot burn fat, we're aging, right? So this is longevity drug. People was saying weight loss. It's not weight loss. You're losing weight just because of you starting, your metabolism is increasing. So semaglutide was the first generation and trizepatine second generation. And I was hesitating to start doing my peptide journey or no. So I went to consultation with doctor and he cleared me all my doubts inside of me. And because after certain age, especially after 35, when you are premenopause, your metabolism is not the same. Even you're running, jumping, playing tennis, you're not losing the weight, even you're fasting. So I start doing peptides, like very low dose in a week one time, and I was checking my cholesterol level. It was very high. So I started doing my peptide journey, and I am just shocked with the results. But again, I was hesitating. Maybe it's not working, maybe it's working. What's the peptides? Peptides is a blockchain of amino acids. It's a part of protein, and it's kind of sending signals to your body to repair what has a damage. With my peptide journey, I start with trizepatine. Now I'm gonna add another one. Actually, after doing peptide 2 months, I checked my cholesterol level. It dropped down without taking any medicine like statin or different medicine for the lowering cholesterol. But number one tip, you need to consult with a proper doctor. You need to do your blood work. You need to check your hormones. Then start with low dose and buy these from trusted sources with a prescription. Then definitely you're not gonna have side effects. Also, the main cons about that, you need to be very careful with your food. You need to get a certain amount of protein. I will say in kilograms, like if your body is 50 kilograms, let's say 128 pounds, you need 50 for each kilogram of your body, you need 1 gram of protein. And you shouldn't drink, you shouldn't smoke. It's different lifestyle. Like people who's complaining and afraid to do that, definitely it's not magic. It's not magician way working. You need to change your lifestyle. You need to exercise, you need to get protein, you need to, if you're smoking, stop smoking. So I'm gonna share with my peptide journey how it's going. Definitely it's interesting for you guys also, because I was 1 year ago, I was digging, asking people who is taking that, are you gaining weight after, are you doing this? Some people were saying, when I stopped that, I start gaining weight. Yes, of course, if you're eating everything. That's why I'm saying it's life-changing, lifestyle-changing thing. And you need to get peptides certain months, like 3 months you're doing. After you need to stop, and because your body have antibodies, so you're gonna stop this for 3 months, again start. So it's kind of, and people think, then you need to do till the end of your life. Maybe you brushing your teeth every day, you washing your hands with the soap, it's also chemical. So maybe they will figure out something else in few years. But definitely this is working, but you need to be careful. You need to follow the prescription and you need to get them from the trusted sources. So peptide is good, but be careful.